Hi everyone! If you wanna learn how to make this delicious turkey, keep on watching. A couple of things before I concluded this video. Brining. Brining for 2 to 3 days will make your meat tender, juicy, and flavorful. The separation of stuffing is to eliminate the danger zone, which is 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The Mirepoix, the celery, carrots, and onion, is for the gravy. Cranberry is a traditional condiments that will give tanginess and sweetness to your dish. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to subscribe.